A lot of people are basically saying, how do you create a microservices layer of commerce and order management and all the different things that you need to actually get an order out the door, but then put a custom experience on top of that. And what does that mean? And so there's the microservices architecture conversation, but there's also, from a front end standpoint, we've seen a lot of work in our really state-of-the-art clients really pushing the new Angular backbone type responsive JavaScript frameworks. And most of the product companies don't have a straightforward answer to that. Adobe in 6.1 gives you Sightly and some other great tools to use, but it doesn't actually finish the thought. And so a lot of our clients had been left with in the last 6 months or year saying, hey, we need to build our own custom front end stack. We've actually gone at that the other way and said, you know what, that's a really risky kind of way to go at this. We're going to build it already and walk in with an answer. So with our AEM solutions in particular, where a client wants to have an experience-led commerce sort of outcome and set experiences across a bunch of pieces of glass, we're using what we've called integrated experience architecture, which is an answer to both the AEM authoring piece as well as the front-end integration piece. So I have this really nice front-end presentation layer, technology stack all written out, integrated fully into AEM, and then to be able to deal with the high-volume commerce piece, we've created a transactional integration tier using Node that allows us to integrate at $1 billion commerce scale. And so that answer, so we love the push around custom because we think it connects with the idea that the customers our clients need to build experiences that are very sort of full-bodied and have all these different capabilities in them, and they're recognizing an Oracle or a Hybris or Adobe by themselves can't do all of that. So they want to go build custom, but it's really not custom, it's just a more complete answer. So when we bring an IEA into it, it suddenly takes a lot of risk out of that conversation because we can say, yeah, it's custom, but we've actually resolved a lot of the really hard parts about it in terms of how to integrate these products together and have you ready for all that data piece as well.